Ever wondered why your leftover pizza stays fresh in that big white box in your kitchen? Welcome to the cool world of refrigerators. Here's a fun fact. Refrigerators don't actually produce cold, they eliminate heat. Yes, they're like the bouncers at Club Kitchen kicking out unwanted heat guests. So how does this happen? Well, it's all thanks to a magical cycle of evaporation and condensation. The fridge uses a refrigerant, a supercool substance that changes from a liquid to a gas. This transformation absorbs heat, making the inside of the fridge cold. Then the refrigerant gas is compressed back into a liquid by the compressor, releasing the absorbed heat at the back of the fridge. And voila, your ice cream stays frozen and your veggies stay crisp. Fascinating, right? Here at Mechanical Mastery, we unlock the secrets of everyday items. Stay curious, you lot.